Most of you, as per most of you watching my video is not subscribed, so please subscribe. It's free, and you can change your mind later. Today we are trying to attempt to teach you tips and tricks, and maybe you can be in the top wins like this one. And that is very tough. But don't worry, we teach you. And then like this one, where I choose the numbers, and then we easily win. And it's very simple to win and guess the number. Guess the number. And we are really good. And night when we one day you reach the leaderboard later, and you can watch this, and you can be in the top one or two. Yay! Toot, 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 toot. Today I'm doing tips and tricks, and this is long time since using the ID. And now we're gonna be teaching you how to do tips and tricks, and you might be getting the wins and there's a chance you can get in a leaderboard. Look here, the first one is 4015. The latest one is 551, and you might get it. So let's start with the first play. Oh, he went. Let's start with easy mode. So no one is joining me. Oh, I see one. Oh no, I see. Oh, why? Okay, guys.
Why don't you just
I'll teach you how to do the trick. Oh, first we have to choose a random number. We should choose. Let's choose 77 since this might be the hardest, I guess. So let's go for it and boom. And before we start choosing a number, we have to guess. So between 0 and 100, go for 50. The first two guesses you have to go for middle. Okay? And then, okay, she's guessing. And now what are you gonna do, Mr. Bacon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 54. High. Oh wait, I think it's starting to get better. But if it's below, if it's above 50, it should go 75. So click 75 between 50 to 100. Yeah, like 50 to 100 between. Then later you do your own guess. Like if you want, you can do water. Oh, I don't know why. Oh my god, he chose 67. So wait, so that means we should choose 60. I think, let me guess. According to my calculation, it should be 65. If it's higher, I knew it's higher. No. Okay, now I'm thinking, are we gonna lose? Oh, it's close, man. Don't say close, man. Just say lower. Let's go for 58, I guess. So he's gonna say higher. No, man. What is the problem with this game? I am thinking. He's choosing on. Okay, don't say 77. Oh, snipe. He's getting closer, man. He's getting closer. He's getting closer. Which one should we guess? It's time for Ora business. Do you know what to choose, man?
I think it's 53.
Let's do it. It's middle, I guess. Oh, no, it's not middle. But it's still. Oh my god. Why are you going for smaller one? Oh, close. Hey, he's very bad.
Stop the gap.
Wait, we'll go for something easy, man. Let's go for 55. Don't say.
Easy, man. Easy.
It's 54, man. Okay, wait. I think he has another guess, so don't. Oh!
Easy
Put
win.
close. Then we're gonna choose 54.
That's your first win.
Yes, guys. And okay, guys, I want to tell you something. If I choose 50 and if there's a lower, choose between 0 to 50.
I think
25.
he was not lying. He was telling the truth. He was.
25, 0 to 25. So that means, okay, I'll give you another demo if she says it lower. So let's go choose a number. What's your age, man? I don't know. Let's choose something. I'm gonna choose, okay. That might be obvious, but fine. Guess
Do the obvious ones.
1. Yes, man. Now choose 50 again. Okay, guys. Now we chose 50 and it's lower, so we have to go for a mid number again. So it's 25. She's gonna say higher. No.
I think it's number is 1.
Are you sure, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's go. Before we choose one, we have to choose. Before we choose one, I don't believe you little bit. So I know what is you. What did you just shoot? Hello.
She's close to a number. That's much.
That I'm gonna go for 5. So if it's lower, then I get it. Protection.
Uh.
Hello. 2. We go for 1, 2, 3 now, man. Let's go for something. Let's see if I. Let's go for 17. 17. Ha. So. Oh, she's getting close. She's trying to go for a small number to save. It's lower, huh? 22. Let's go for 22.
No.
Wait, it's 23 or 24 or 25, I guess.
Close.
That means it should be 24.
No! We lost.
But still, you could. That's how you do tips and tricks. That's a chance of winning. So you can do it. So, but we guys, we lost. Okay, I'm joking. We got the third win, guys. Right? Now let's try for a new guess. Oh my god.
Aren't you supposed to do tips and tricks?
Yeah, let's do the tips and tricks in 1000 so that everyone could be the best player. And man, whoever is the admin, it's so easy, man. All you have to do is go for the middle numbers.
Okay,
That's
sit.
it.
You sit and wait.
But in 1 to 1000, watch carefully, man. Whoever is needing it, you still have to do it. So, let's clear this. Damn it. What's social rewards?
No. This rewards.
No, bro.
This rewards.
Roho.
Daily rewards.
You already claimed daily rewards, man.
Group rewards.
Bro, hey, go. Hey, go.
Sit. Sit.
Go.
I'm playing.
We lost. Hey, bro, what's wrong with you, man?
He's not sitting. Sit.
Sit, lady. Lady. Ah, yeah.
Hey.
Now it's 1 to 1000, so we have to choose a hard number. So,
I know.
what do you want to choose?
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Alright, you can wait. We'll do 666.
Okay.
Wait, 666. 666. And for 1 to 1000. Okay, wait, she's guessing first. Look.
Bro.
Wait. Okay, when it's 1 to 1000.
It's 500.
Yeah, 500. Correct, man. Didn't I taught you? It's lower, huh? Yes, I knew it, man.
Now we go for 100.
No, it's 250.
No, we go for 100.
250.
100.
250.
100.
First two numbers will go equal. First two guesses will go equal, that's why.
100.
No, we're going for 250, man. Later we'll go for 100. Come on, don't cry, man. Almost got 255. No!
I knew it was 100.
But it can, if I say 100, it'll be about. Bro, 75. Higher. I think everybody is acting dumb to me. So, okay, fine, I'll go for 100.
100.
I'll go for 100. Let's go to my house number 100. I mean, that's not my house number. Bro!
It has to be 1.
I don't. Okay, bro. If you. Okay, bro. Oh my god, she almost gets 667. Okay, not. Let's. Okay, you're thinking it's 1, huh? I'll choose 10. If it's 1, then I'll be. Yeah.
Bruh.
I knew it, man.
I think it's 6, 7.
Yeah, it should be 6, 7, man. It should be 6, 7. It should be 6, 7, man.
It has to be
It has to be. Should I choose 5? Should I choose 6, 7?
6, 7.
I'll go for the old 6, 7. Whoa! That's a good one, man. Good guess. Don't use this Robux and all. That is without these thingies. If you use this, let me guess.
Oh no, he's closer to us. No.
You mean she? Not. I'll go for the
85.
Are you sure it's 85? Did it say lower, huh? Knew it. I'm guessing it. Okay, not. I'm gonna go for a good guess. Should I do Vodafone?
What?
Should I go for a good guess? I'm not.
Go for a good guess.
I'll
Go for 7, 7.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, man. I wanted to go for a good guess.
Okay.
You know what? I'll go for
I think
9. Okay, wait. Everyone is acting rude to me.
I think it's 7, 1.
I'm guessing for this time.
Okay.
I'm choosing 74.
It has to be 7, 1.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes.
Up to the last moment. Okay, fine. Just try for the guess. Hello. I'm guessing that 6. Oh my god. Okay, wait. We have to do a good guess, bro.
It has to be 7-1. Thank you, I win. Thank you.
Oh wait, we are cooked now. Yes, we are cooked. 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 Please do 664. Please do. Oh, we got some. Okay, wait. I'm going for a good guess.
It has to be 6-8.
Oh, 7.
7-0.
Like if I should go there and subscribe if I should go there.
Do it.
I'm going for team like, but I love subscribe more. Oh! You guessed it.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so good.
Well, okay, man, but we got likes, but someone. Okay, wait. Most of you people are just watching but not subscribing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the statics said to us.
So subscribe.
Yeah. I wish you a good luck. Get in a leaderboard.
If you want to watch more videos from us,
Look on the screen.
and don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.